ticket inquiries open for this door, please. The best thing to do is use the end door.
I'd like to thank you all for coming out. It really means a lot. It really does. And in terms of thanks, it was like being at a wedding or a funeral coming in before, because there's so many familiar faces. I can still spot some from here. Thanks to those faces, because those faces are in the film, or the voices are in the film, and those people know they are, and I really appreciate you being part of the film first and foremost. Who else have we got to thank? Oh, Williams B&W, who's sponsoring the premiere, who've done a great job, and it's been great partnering with them the last few weeks. Thanks to them. In terms of thanks, oh, the biggest thanks goes to Christy Allenson, who's up there getting a photo for us. Christy produced and edited the film. She was too nervous to get up on stage and talk about it with me, so it wouldn't exist if it weren't for Christy. Well, I don't know if Dylan's here, but Dylan was one of the assistant directors. Dylan's here. Big thanks to Dylan as well. So I suppose, the film, Liverpool Story, you've probably all seen the trailer. A bit of context where it came from. So we were inspired to make the film after watching a short film on the BFI player, just for free. It's called A Day in Liverpool from 1929. It's a gorgeous little film. It's about half an hour long, and it's just a day in Liverpool, really, how the city was a century ago. And I found it fascinating to the point where I thought it'd be good to make a version of that film 100 years on. That's in black and white and it's silent, so we could add sort of colour and voices and a bit of movement maybe. And that's how we started, really. We started on the 1st of January 2003 and we finished on the 31st of December in the same year. And the whole idea was, we're not making any great statements with this film. In many ways, it's literally just an observation of people, communities, and the passing of time and the passing of seasons. And in that regard, it's quite a personal film because I think we shot over 12,000 shots for this film, 12,000 images, but there's only 1,500 in it. And so it was the images that I connected with as a person from Liverpool. So in many ways, it's a very personal film, and there's the ghosts of my family are in this film by sort of voices and memories, so it's even more personal. And I suppose in many ways, I hope our tastes align when you watch it. Because what's really nerve-wracking is everyone in this room is all looking at me now has some sort of investment in Liverpool, whether it's living here or family or friends, and that is a bit nerve-wracking. But I just hope that you connect with it and you understand what we're going for. There's a lot of, I think, from within Liverpool, we make a lot of statements about Liverpool, what Liverpool is, and what sort of Scousers are. And I suppose this is maybe like a silent statement, a little bit of an alternative, if you like. Some of you, it's literally the passing time over a year. Some of you might connect with it, some of you might not, some of you might think it drags, some of you might think it flies by, but that's the nature of time passing and our relationship to it. I was trying to look for like a metaphor for the film earlier on, and I come up with the fact that Liverpool's over 800 years old, and I suppose this film is a Polaroid snapshot of 2023. That's all it is. But I think that's the beauty of it in my eyes. Who knows, as time goes by, we might appreciate it, we might sort of be angry at it, it might just be a fleeting memory, but I think the most important thing is it exists, and I'm very proud of it. Hope you connect with it. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Cheers.